the clothes that I have to wear for tomorrow. And there we go. Bonjour, guten Tag. What's up, bruh?
Brandon Dian makes it 3 for the night.
Guys, what a beautiful day where there's no time to waste. It's been a while. Guys, a long time no see. But first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to all of you guys, to Team Brandao, because the amount of messages and like people saying congratulations, it's just unbelievable. It's just crazy and outstanding. So I really need to say thank you to all of you. I really appreciate that. But the hard work doesn't stop, because now as I signed my professional contract, it's just the start, because we are here to achieve big things. And as I always say, when you believe, everything is possible. So we always need to believe, and we always need to work hard, because we know for sure, at least by now, that hard work actually does pay off. So that's why, if you guys are really struggling to find a club, like I still receive messages, Brendan, how did you get into this club? How did I get into this club? Guys, come on. You guys seen it. I just flew to Romania and I just showed up at clubs, and now we're here. But today is actually an exciting day, because it's going to be my first medical test, because you always see on Instagram or in the news that the players, they have to pass the medical before they can sign. Obviously, I signed already, so I'm going to have my medicals today. So I just hope that everything is well. And I'm not sure if I can record that, because I would love to. That's why I just in case, brought my tripod, and I'm going to ask the doctor or something if I'm allowed to record that, because I'm not sure. Because obviously this club is not Manchester United, where loads of people are waiting outside and everything. Like, this is just Panduri, but still nearly as big as Manchester United. But I just hope that I can have some footage of the medical test, because I think it's very, very interesting, and it's also my first medical test. Like, I don't know what to expect. I just know from seeing big players doing the medicals, like Cristiano Ronaldo and everything, that they check your heart, you have to run. Like, I don't know if it's going to be here the same, but I'm going to get picked up by a doctor at 8. The time now is 7:59. And as always, I'm talking to my phone, because I prefer to talk to Team Brandao instead of being on time. So let's go downstairs and then let's have this medical. And also in 2 days, we're going to have a match. And I think I'm eligible to play now. That's the reason why I do the medical. So that's why, let's hope that I will play. But let's not waste time. Let's go downstairs. I just love our training ground, really. I just love it. And I just hope that very, very soon I'm going to make my debut there. Oh no, you see those cats? No. No. I am actually thinking to get one cat, seriously, because there are so many baby cats on the streets. And I'm just thinking to get one. Seriously. Cuckoo. Cuckoo.
Premia la caserie. Are treabă doctor. Acum ajung. Ești dumane. Dumane.
Vorbește cu tasul, ce face? Păi da, salariul e mare.
Și acolo, la fel, salariul.
Da?
Da,
Cum, 1000 de lei?
6.
Ah, bun. În mână?
Da.
Bun.
Pe care de...
O să vreau rezultatul. Doamne, cum mi-a lăsat Dumnezeu cu părul ăsta așa plângă. It's okay?
Yeah.
Apasă. Pe Marieta și a spus că o mută dacă nu o mătură. Și Ramona i-a zis, eu am vrut să spăl chiuvetele și ăsta, dar Marieta n-a vrut să măturăm și să facem treaba. A zis că ea când a dat examen, a dat examen pe post de îngrijitor.
So we are back home, and unfortunately I couldn't film that much due to privacy issues. Like, obviously that's reasonable, but they took my blood, and then I had to just run a little bit, and then they put something on my heart to test my heartbeat, but everything is fine as I was expecting it, and the blood results will come back later on. But the doctor just asked me loads of questions. Did I ever had a surgery? Did I ever fainted on the pitch? Did I ever had heart problems? And I could all say no to them, thank God. So I think I'm ready to go. But as it is 12 o'clock, look guys, this is what my kitchen looks like. It's kind of like, I mean, it's all right. There, I cook. And then here, banana, everything, like, it's just, I need that. Try to eat healthy, but also I have sometimes my cheat days where I just have chocolate. That's all right, but this is going to be my breakfast, porridge with granola, banana, because I'm still waiting for my protein porridge from the UK. And there were 2 people who contacted me and are willing to send me some oats. So let's see if that really happens, because as we know, people always talk, so you can't rely on other people. You can only rely on yourself. So that's why I always say to you guys, because there's so many footballers out there who ask me, listen, like, I want to be like you. I want to have a trial for a pro club. Like, how did you get your trial? Guys, you need to go out and get them. Don't wait on anyone. Agents, don't wait on them. Try to create your own opportunities. So simple as that. But today I'm gonna actually show you guys the changing room, and we're about to go to the gym because training starts at 2 o'clock. The time now is 12 o'clock. So before training, I always go to the gym and I do something. And today I'm gonna do some explosive stuff, which I'm looking forward to it. Am I looking forward to it? Yes, because the hard work will never stop. So that's why let's have our breakfast and then go downstairs to the gym. Let's see what's on the menu today. Okay, potatoes with, I think it's sauerkraut and chicken, and soup and bread. So I'm gonna either cook something myself or just eat this, but without the chicken. But this is our pitch. So let's go downstairs. Dinero. Huh? I know. Gym. I know, 2 o'clock training, but I go gym. So this is the changing room. each player has their own space. This is mine. I mean, I remember when I first came here and then all the players were sitting here and then I just came in, all eyes on me and like, whoa, like who is this big guy? But now, obviously people know me here, so let's go to the gym.
Well, let's get it on to your favorite song. The night is young and you got me going on every single beat. It's my heart so deep, wanna wrap my arms around you, cause you sweep me off my feet. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when it feels right. It is just one of these nights.
So starting those explosive workouts, it's so important that each rep you do it as explosive as possible. And also you can either decide to set a time of 30 seconds or a minute to do this drill, as many as you can in this time frame, or you say I want to do 10 reps or 20 reps and then you rest and then do 3 sets of them. So it's up to you. So I prefer to set a time and then to do as much repetition as possible in this time frame.
Out the door, we're just getting started, lady. Now I really want some more. Girl, you know that there ain't nobody moving like you. You know you got me. I love the things you do. Maybe I'm getting into trouble, but I just wanna be your lover. Cause you're making me feel. I love when you.
So back from training, what I'm cooking is pasta with like a cheese sauce, which is very nice. So this is my food after training session, because that's what I cooked in my lovely kitchen. So another player will come to join me, because obviously I can't eat everything by myself and I just love to cook for others, like as you guys know. And I think I need to do more videos on my Chef Brandao channel, so there we go. Amazing news. I think that my international clearance went through and I think officially allowed to play my first match, because on Saturday I was not allowed yet to play because I had to wait for my clearance and everything. But the manager just wrote in the WhatsApp group, the squad, and I'm in the squad, I'm involved. So I'm gonna travel tomorrow with the team. We're gonna have a travel for about 9 hours, which is just crazy. Like, it's just so far away. And here in Romania, the matches, because it's in the second league, matches can be like 9 hours, 6 hours. So away matches are very, very far away. So that's the reason why the team always travels a day before the match, and then we stay over in a hotel, which I'm actually really excited to see how it's going to be to travel with the team. And because I'm here now, I think nearly 3 weeks, and I've just been able to see home matches, like, but now for the first time to travel with the team is really going to be nice. And our kit man came in and gave me the clothes that I have to wear for tomorrow. And there we go. Number 24. I mean, 24 is not really my number, but they told me that like my shirt and tracksuit is not ready yet, so I just grabbed this one from another player who is not involved in the squad. But I don't really care, because all I want is just to play and to improve and to actually become the best version I can become. Is that the right sentence? I think so. But that's me done for today. I'm gonna have a good night's sleep because tomorrow we will leave after breakfast at 8:30 and I'm gonna film tomorrow, which I'm really excited because I just want that you guys see how it is like the day before my debut, because it's gonna be very, very exciting, and let's see. So keep watching and then you guys find out if I'm gonna make my debut or not. A huge thank you for all your messages, for all your support, and Team Randao, trust me, we are going very, very far. So stick to that channel, just hit that like button, subscribe, and let's see where we're gonna end up. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button, guys. And keep in mind, when you believe, everything is possible. So Team Randao, I'll see you tomorrow.